In this video, I will guide you on how to add music to Facebook profile. First of all, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on settings and privacy. Then from here, select settings. Once you get here, you want to scroll down a bit and under audience and visibility, you should find the profile details option. Tap on that. Now scroll down. You will find the option of music. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, a list of music will appear. You simply want to scroll through and find the music that you want. You can also select the trending option and select a music from the trending section, or tap on the search bar and simply search for a music genre over here as well. Once you have found the music that you want to add, simply tap on it. Now you can add more from here as well. You have the option who can see music. You can select this to public, friends of friends, friends except. Then once you have selected it, tap on the done option. Now tap on the save option. Now open your profile and check, and here you can see the music over here in your profile. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.